This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Move-in ready! The open floor plan is perfect for entertaining or a cozy night in front of the fireplace. In the kitchen you will find granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and pantry. Tray ceiling, private bath, walk-in closet, and more make the primary bedroom open and easy to unwind in. Privacy is extended to the oversized, fenced-in backyard. Located close to access of military installations, interstate, shopping and beaches. For more information, review the details below.